Sometimes in your workbook, you want to reference other worksheets, maybe other files, even other websites. You can use hyperlinks to do that to make it easy for people to access those things. Let's take a look. We're in a regions worksheet here. I want you to go over to column M. Let's just add a heading that says helpful links. Let's start by creating a link to another workbook. So we're going to go to the Insert tab and we're going to go to the Links group, and you'll see a link button there. If you're signed in so that you can access SharePoint files, when you click on this button, you're actually going to get a list of your recently used shared documents, and you could just click on it and create the link. If you wanted to open the box, you would go down to Insert Link. Since we're not signed in, we're just going to click the button that's going to take us straight there. So let's just take a look at some of our options in this dialog box. On the far left, it can help us link to an existing file or to a web page, and we'll do both of those. You can also link to a place in the document. You could create a new document or link to an email address. Let's start with linking to an existing file. So it's in our current folder, and you'll see a list of some of the files that we've been using. Why don't we link to the Q3 revenue workbook? And then we're just going to choose OK.
And now there's a hyperlink for that workbook.
Why don't we test it? Just click off of that. Now move your mouse back up to that hyperlink.
And now there's a hand to select the link.
Go ahead and click on it.
This is so helpful.
Let's go ahead and close this workbook.
Now what if I need to send this to someone else? Can they use that link?
Well, it depends on where that Q3 revenue workbook is stored. If it's on your OneDrive or your personal folder, then no, they wouldn't have access to that. But if you shared it with them, or you've put it in a shared folder or a SharePoint site, then if they already have access to that workbook, when they click the link, it'll open it.
Got it.
One of the other nice things that you can do is actually link to a place in this workbook. That would be another sheet or even a named range. Let me show you how that works. Let's go ahead and go to the next cell. To go back to link, so we link to a workbook in our current folder, but just a quick reminder, it doesn't have to be Excel. It could be PDF, it could be PowerPoint, it could be Word. Any file that you have access to here, you could link to it.